Howdy y'all, welcome to the den of DBZ All-Star. I am DBZ All-Star, you can call me Steve if you prefer. And we have another unboxing here. 2 boxes from instocktrades.com. Probably a decent amount of stuff in there, so let's get this first box open. Alright, got the first one cut open with my box cutter. I always do a nice job packing these boxes. So first up, we have the War of Kings new printing. This is the second printing. This is the direct market cover. Only available through retailers such as your local comic book stores, cheapgraphicnovels.com, of course In Stock Trades, because that's where I ordered it from. Featuring a fantastic event mainly constructed by Dan Abnett and Andy Lanning, who engineered this modern cosmic era for Marvel. Have the first printing, but that is in storage. And this direct market cover is just stunning. So I had to have another copy. Next up, we have the X-Men Epic Collection Legacies trade paperback collected edition. Collecting NK X-Men 297-300 with Annual 17, X-Men 17 through 23, Strife's Strike File, and X-Men Unlimited of the first series, Issue 1, Volume 22. That is it for this first box. Let's get the second box opened up. Once again, use the box cutter to get her cut open. Took advantage of their red tag sale as well last week and their damages. Again, really great job protecting things here. First up, we have Wolverine and the X-Men by Jason Aaron Omnibus. This is the second printing. I believe this is the direct market cover. I missed out on the original printing because I wasn't really collecting too many omnibuses or omnibuy at the time. This is on special through instocktrades.com, so I decided to take advantage of the sale. Let's get the next book out. Next, we have the Flash by Mark Waid Omnibus Volume 1. Was holding off on this because I have all the trade paperback collected editions, but really wanted this in a larger format, so it was part of the red tag sale. Did pick that up. This is just a stellar run. Takes place before Jeff Johns' iconic run on the Flash. If you're just looking for Wally to have stories that develop him as a character, this is one of those runs that does just that. Next up, we have the X Factor by Peter David. This is Volume 2, but I'm calling it X Factor Investigations Omnibus Volume 1. This is such an amazing run by Peter David. Really took these characters that had kind of gone by the wayside for a while and gave them each their own running story. Just amazing. This was part of the red tag sale as well. So that was the standard cover for the Peter David X Factor Investigations 1. This is Moon Knight Omnibus Volume 2. This is the standard cover. Once again, part of the red tag sale, red stock trades. have the Captain Britain omnibus. This was originally 2 oversized hardcovers. Got Chris Claremont, Alan Moore, I believe credited as the original creator due to his relationship with Marvel and DC. Marvel in this case. This is the standard edition cover. We have the Death of Superman, 30th Anniversary Deluxe Edition. Just an iconic storyline. I do not have the Death and Return Omnibus. I do not have the story in an oversized format. This is part of the red tag sale. I think this was $13.99. It's well worth it. We have the Boys hardcover omnibus, Volume 1. Garth Ennis, Derek Robertson. Again, part of the red tag sale. Collects the first few arcs of this amazing but definitely violent and sexual series. Not for the faint of heart, not for the younger audiences. We have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, The Last Ronin. Excellent series by the creative team. Collects all 5 issues. This was part of a damaged sale. I'm not really noticing any damage here. We have Saga, Volume 10, Brian K. Vaughan, Fiona Staples, Epic Saga story. This collects issues 55 through 60. I didn't want to wait on the OHC Volume 4 to reread this in a collected edition format. That was part of the damage sale. Did not see any damage there. Kaya, Book 1, part of the damage sale. You can see a little bend there. Nothing too major. It's not textured, it's just bent a little bit. This is Volume 1. Collecting issues 1 through 5. I believe that is it. Yes, that is it. As you can see, plenty of love and care, plenty of protection put in there. Thank you, In Stock Trades. Thank you for watching. Those of you out there watching, stay healthy, stay safe, be well.